Today is a really important day. I'm driving about an hour and a half to get 3 new additions to our farm. I can't wait to show you.
Hi! You want to see?
There's our goats. What do you think?
I'm excited.
What do you think?
Exciting!
Yep. You like more cheese? Yeah. Yeah, look at the dogger.
Mommy has a lot of milk. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Oh, come
What do you think?
What do you guys think of the goats so far?
She doesn't once try to be like butt us. She's a good goat. The babies are really scared and just run away. She's a bit protective of them though. Yeah, but she's still a very good girl. Plus they smell like goat cheese.
Goats are the first major livestock that we've gotten on our homestead, and we're super busy still. We're still building our house and everything. We got our goats for a few reasons. First, they're small and they're easy to manage. They're actually smaller than our Great Pyrenees, and so moving them around is easy. We don't feel afraid of them because they're not huge, and it just is a great experience overall. We have a Great Pyrenees, and so she's really large, and these goats actually felt kind of small compared to her. So managing them with their size is really convenient. The second thing is that they're great at weed management. We have a lot of weeds and we have a lot of grass on our property, and so having them to be able to graze the hills around here is going to be very, very helpful, especially in the rocky areas that we can't manage. And so that weed control should be great. The other thing that we really like about them is that they have milk that they produce, and we wanted an animal that we could milk. We definitely are going to get a cow at some point, but we have to build a barn and fencing and all kinds of things for that. So right now, this was the easiest kind of entry point for us, the least amount of work based on the research that we did. And so we're really excited about them because I think they're going to work out really, really well for our current situation in our homestead, and they're going to be super productive and super helpful. So that's the goal, is to get animals that are going to be productive, that are going to be helpful, and will enrich our homestead and our lives. All right, so we're getting ready to milk Sophie. We're going to put some vinyl flooring down in here so that it's not so messy, because these goats are messy, right, Memes?
Yep.
Hopefully that catches any stuff.
I can.
Great.
Watch out, Ben, watch out. Don't go there.
that way.
Whoa, watch out, Ben.
Does it? What does it taste like? Taste more. Drink more.
Ready to taste it?
Drink.
It tastes
Be brave.
like goat milk. No, it tastes good. Yeah. It tastes like normal goat milk.
They seem to be loving it here. They're just eating away at our grass. Doing really good. One thing that I was amazed at is how good the milk is. I had heard that the milk, as long as it's fresh, it smells like, I mean, it doesn't smell like it tastes like cow milk. And it did. It was really good. So I really liked it. I'm excited because I was not sure if we were going to like it. My kids like it. So milking was difficult, but she'll get better and we'll get more milk. But she's doing great. She's a really good mama. It's exciting. She might be pregnant too. She was with Saul, which is the dad of both of those goatlings. So maybe she's pregnant now. Time to put the goaties to bed now. Let's go to sleep. So my boy, he pushed this thing over, broke it at the bottom. So I put a piece of rebar in the ground, 1/4 inch or 3/8 rebar rather, and then I taped it because it was actually shorting and grounding out here because it's metal. That tape didn't work, so I had to put this 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch pipe. It's 1/2 inch pipe. So there we go. Okay, good night, guys. See you tomorrow. First impressions of the goat. They are way nicer than I imagined. The only kind of experience we had with goats previously was like petting zoos, and that was typically a pretty aggressive goat experience of getting bit by goats and stuff. So that's pretty cool. I think that goats are a lot cooler than I was imagining. I didn't really have expectations, but I just didn't think they would be kind of as friendly and social as they are. Also wasn't sure how I'd like and how my kids would like the fresh goat milk, but we like it, so that's great. I'm excited to see them in the morning and get milk in, so it's fun stuff. Hi guys, good morning. You wanna come outside yet?
Walk on, not step into poop. Right?
Yep.
They're great. We need a leash for her.
I have one.
You hold her.
Our goats escaped. These things got broken down. What happened, Mimi?
The goats escaped.
What were they doing?
I don't really know.
They were just standing outside the door, all hanging out together.
Well, at least they didn't go anywhere else.
talking to you?
Nope, not when I came out. They just were standing there. We got 12 5-foot pieces of rebar. I got some pipe to put as insulation here, and I got a bunch of zip ties. So I'm gonna go drive in these next to the posts and zip tie the post to them. So that's the reinforcement that we need so this thing doesn't fall down again. What's cool about this rebar is that the 1/2 inch rebar fits nicely into the 1/2 inch pipe. Makes it super secure. Alright, I'm gonna go get to it. Okay, so I'm gonna just put the rebar in the ground next to the base that broke off. I just can't believe that this stuff broke off here. Super cheap. I'm really glad that our goats are good goats and they didn't run away like down the hill, because that's really annoying. So, did not suggest this fence because it is cheap. I mean, it's cheap. We're gonna get another one. What we're gonna do is actually set up the fence in different spots, walk them over to these different spots, and then graze them, because we have so much weeds and things that we want them to eat, and they will definitely enjoy eating it. So, gonna get this up so they can go outside and walk around and stuff. So, when I put these on over there, I actually had wrapped this rebar in electrical tape. Thing is that the electric fence still shocked through. I could hear it snapping through, and I actually got shocked a few times because it was not fully insulated. So now that I got those up, I'm gonna put the rest of them up. However, I'm gonna let the goaties out so that they can run around. Let's come out and play! I'm really impressed with how the goat house is handling in here. We got my feeders that we built in here that's working good. Hey, Sophie! We got Penny back there. Penny is not Sophie's baby, so Sophie's the mama. Penny is the one that actually looks more like her. Dottie's back there, the white one. Very, very cute. But Sophie does not care for Penny. I had more 1/2-inch Schedule 40 pipe, but I don't. So I'm just gonna work with what I got here. I have all of the stakes driven in, my rebar supports, but I am definitely gonna be short on pipe. And I don't want to get any, so I just cut everything down a little bit here. She's saying, come here.
Bananas.
They just kind of melt, huh? They just stay and they love it.
I don't really love the way she's
They're
sitting.
tucking.
Yeah, the way she's sitting is